asuntoskeet, Kauniaisten kirkkomäki, Asematie 1, Kauniainen, staircase B. Only staircase with elevator.
That's 1999, so it's still the beginning of 2000, but still already had those kinds of problems.
Yeah.
And it has a window, so it's basically sealed.
Yeah, and the worst one in Finland with these fixtures.
Ah, true, yeah. This has to be our first one.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, actually. It's a Schindler. I like it a lot. This deserves to our tree rights. No goes back also. So we actually found a rare one.
Yeah.
Kauniainen graduella Helsingissä yhdistys modernized Finland today. I'd like to turn on the lights. Switch. That's these 8 versions or 30 grams. Now where's the serial number? Oh here, it's 1338. Sadly, TKC didn't get a new elevator.
Yeah.
But we expected next year 2025. Of course, this makes this elevator more unique.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing in TKC. Nice wall floors. Yeah. Should I go back now?
Inspirationspaketet var maintained by Schindler.
This is still early Schindler's March, so that's why the quality is quite alright here.
Yeah.
I will go for a third night because of the view.
Yeah.
And I'd also like to
Yeah.
try and check.
Yeah. This is the oldest Schindler Smart 002 elevator in Finland.
Yeah. You have a wonderful view towards the Kauniainen church from here.
Yeah.
That has a
You can
MP8
press.
from 1983, but it's locked up, has to be asked for later.
Yeah.
Maybe once later, maybe. It's all white there. First floor.
Strange.
Strange, nobody pressed it. I'd like to see it from outside, from the first floor, you can see.
Yeah.
So,
I don't have to say. Okay, that's